Hi everybody, today we're going to be working on a 1998 Polaris Sportsman 500. Specifically, we're going to be dealing with the front two headlights that are mounted below the rack. We've already removed the rack. It's super simple. We are not working on this light today. We're just focused on these. So we had a bulb burnout. No big deal. It's a halogen bulb. I looked online first. Discontinued through Polaris. Called two local dealers actually. They gave me two different part numbers, but both of the part numbers are obsolete. So they said, one dealer said it was a 4030058. The other dealer said it was a 4030059. Either way, it didn't matter because both bulbs were obsolete. And the one dealer recommended, they're a very big Polaris dealer in Wisconsin. She said they haven't found a aftermarket solution and they recommend replacing both lights with something aftermarket. I don't have a problem with that, but I didn't want to take the time to rewire it, source a light that may or may not fit or may not adjust properly. So my goal was to find a replacement bulb. I searched all over on the internet. There's a lot of videos of replacing the lights, but there was none that called out the bulbs. I did find one supplier. I did order the bulbs. I received the bulbs, and I'm going to show you guys the little modification that I had to do to get them in. I've already modified this housing to fit the bulb. And this is still the original halogen bulb in this housing. So I'm gonna just turn those on so you guys can see the difference first. And then I will show you how to modify this one. It's super quick, it's not a big deal. So turn on the lights. And that gives you an idea of how it's gonna change. This is the replacement LED bulb that I purchased. And this is the original halogen bulb inside here that we're going to be replacing. All right, super simple. Here is, I'll have my assistant. This is the front of the package for the bulb that I bought. Bulb actually came in a set of pair of bulbs, so two bulbs. That's the back side. I will I'll post the website that I found these on. Comes in a 2-pack, like I said, and here it is. There's LEDs around the perimeter. Looks like there's some LEDs inside at the end of the bulb, and the terminal is a perfect match, as well as all the plastic and grommets and stuff on here. So real quickly, come over here, pull this little lever back a little, slide that out, wires out, turn this counterclockwise, not even a quarter turn. And this is the halogen bulb that came on the machine originally. This is the LED that we're going to be putting in its position. As you can see, the plastic is identical, the rubber grommet is identical. And the connection or terminals are also identical. So that's the old and the new. Set those somewhere safe. And we're going to take this housing out. What are we at? We're at a 1/2-inch wrench to get this nut that's down in here. You can do this by hand, or for the sake of the video, we're going to speed it up. Alright, so that light's out. It did not fall. We'll find that in a minute. Okay, so let's slowly go over to the workbench. So my first observation is this doesn't fit into the, what do I want to call that? I forget the name of that, but the reflector dome, I guess I would call it. So, took a mic, measured it, and we figured out we needed to use a 3/4 inch drill bit to make the hole for the housing a little bit bigger. The other observation I made is I said, goodness, that reflector dome is quite a ways in there. I wonder if any of these all these bulbs are going to be in the reflector housing. Well, took a measurement, came back to the bulb, mating surface to mating surface. Every single bulb is going to be within that reflector housing. So I thought, well, that's great. So, quick modification. 3/4 inch drill bit in the cordless drill. That's it. Seems like it's a metal dome. It's for sure a metal dome. I just saw that chip come out. Shake all the debris out. Make sure there's no, simple as that. And then, since we have it off the machine, I'll just show you how easy it goes in. And then it's that less than quarter turn. Boom, done, sealed, great fit. All right, let's go back to the machine and mount it. Guess I gotta find our nut. Here it is. We did take the rack off for ease of working and ease of seeing what I'm doing. It was held on with 4 Phillips screws. I think the newer models are torque screws, I believe. So these bulbs should work on a lot of different models. But I don't know the exact year that these headlights were. I'm sure somebody else knows more than me. They could post that. All right, so that's kind of tight. Double check it. This kind of lined up the way you want it. Good and tight. Take a little bit of dielectric grease while we got the terminal open. Put a little glob on each terminal. Plug it back in. Simple as that. And then come around the front. And there you go. Both of them are now LED. They seem bright. Time will tell on that, but at least I didn't have to source lights that would somehow fit. I don't know how I would mount them. Would I mount them to the bumper? Would I mount them to the same location? I wanted something kind of easier. Oh, I'm going to adjust that one down a little bit. So, full disclosure, I have no affiliation with the people that I bought this from, the bulbs from. And I will, at the end of the video, I will figure out how to post a screenshot or something, however you do it. I'm gonna have my kids help me. However you do that, so you can see the website that I bought them from. They were $60 with free shipping, so a little bit expensive, but oh well. And I really think that's it. If you like the video, please like it. It's the first video I've ever done, you know, so I don't know about subscribing, but if I do some more, whatever. And share it with people that it might help, because I searched YouTube and I did not find any quick and easy way of replacing these bulbs. So I wanted to get this out there in case somebody else feels the same way I do and they just want to buy 2 bulbs and stuff them in. So there you go. Have a great day. Website that I found the bulbs on. The name of the website is tophids.com. I will put a link. I'll put the the actual link in this video as well, probably at the end. So these are the bulbs. Click on here. As you can see, it replaces the one we removed, the halogen one. That's what the new ones look like. Mine looked a little bit different, but similar. And I kind of showed you guys that in the video, what they look different like. So I'll close this. Scroll down. Gives a description, and then it shows the fitment for all the models. And this is what they claim these bulbs will work in these machines. I have no way of knowing if that's accurate or not, but it's a heck of a lot of machines. Alright, that's that. I will paste the actual link somewhere. Thanks.